Welcome to Shelby Exotics, guys. An extremely exciting day. We are launching our new merch. It is available on our website at Endure Furniture. Go to Etsy. There's a link in the description, too, by the way, to buy the merch. We got our new Mullet Do shirts out, everybody. That's my favorite Pat Sajak, boys. It's time for another wonderful episode of freedom-filled fun here at Shelby Exotics. Thanks for joining us, Tamara. Have a good day. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Do that right now. Just take the time, hit the subscribe button. It's somewhere here, somewhere. And then there's a little bell. Make sure he's got the lines on the outside of it. And then leave a comment, for crap's sake. You want to see something? Say so. What do you think we ought to do with that?
Truck. Like
it
that
is.
Clutch is man, but you can tell that thing just wants to rip. Dude, it just wants to go. These guys. About 3,500 because it's just stupid. I'd be like, how do you even race this?
Alright, in a couple of minutes, photographer coming out and everybody's in your car.
I love one. It's like a big matchbox guy.
All right. Awesome.
Okay, careful!
Best burnout wins a free hat.
Dibs on the 500.
Yep. What's this thing?
Let's do it from the guardrail out first. Go in your row. Yeah, I got it.
Waiting.
You know, we ain't seen a good burnout in that 500 yet, you know.
Oh, well, I could have done that 10.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Let's hear it. Let's hear that thing. You're prettier than the 500. Proportional little bitch. What do you think? Journey's probably thinking this thing's a fucking death trap. Because it is a little bit. It's got a little death trap quality to it, doesn't it?
It's a race car, though. That's what race cars are.
Oh, come on. Keep going, Corey. It makes you do the work, though. There ain't no two shakes about that shit. It's so funny because it doesn't look like it'd be fast at all on a road course. You know, it's beat up and it's got cracks and shit all over it, but from here, it looks like a brand new race car, don't it? Brand new race car. She brand new. I'm recording now since all the cars went by. Today.
This here collector state number 26. You fucking awesome.
The crew do good for you then, and did you win?
We won first place. What did you win?
Shake your bake.
Take him back.
There's just something special about a death trap like that, isn't it? Isn't it crazy? You're pretty good on a turn. So what'd you think, Corey? You think we can build some of these better than NASCAR?
These are awesome. Yeah, we can do a better NASCAR.
I think we can too.
The hell NASCAR anyway.
Nas what? I love you, Rowdy. It's very interactive.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's on you to do everything.
Yeah, it is. Which is the way I like it.
And he's a hell of a driver, so we're gonna see how.
GT500 out there? Are they running the GT500 out there right now? Yeah, 'cause it was down there, that lime green one.
I didn't even see it. I got so much cool shit.
I do. It's back in the truck, but nice, Anthony. Holy balls, man. Nice job. It does not look like it could handle for shit, you know?
I know it.
But everything is so...
I mean, like I say, I'm glad you're in Grand Rapids because we might be able to do some cross promoting and wait and see what I
What?
do. It'll blow your mind when you see what I
Do you have the race shop along the street up there? Is that your deal?
There he goes. Next to Burger King.
Yeah.
Next to Burger King. It's $10 a month for commercial customers. 2 sales in the top 5,000 markets is $2.5 million a month. Automated. There it is. It's got a computer stand on it. It'll power your computer, your any USB stuff.
Is it for production environment then? It's for an assembly?
It's for dealerships.
For dealerships? Okay.
It's for anything, but dealerships I'm going after because I can do one dealership.
Just a tight squeeze, son. But we got her.
Oh, okay. I'm in Ann Arbor.
She car today.
This here Quaker State number 26. You fucking awesome.
The crew do good for you then, and did you win?
We won first place. What did you win?
Shake it back!
Take him back.
There's just something special about a death trap like that, isn't it? Isn't it crazy? You're pretty good on it. All right, jack her up. Is it locked? Oh, turn it. Cameron learned how to do that. You know what? You gotta jack this thing. She's still not on the ground. She's still on the ground. Keep going. It's fine. It's fine. Just metal stuff. Still on the ground. Finally up. There you go. Wow. Never used a whole jack.
Thank you for watching this edition of Shelby Exotics. That was Rowdy playing at Gingerman for one of the Mohawk track days, sponsored in part by Shelby America and Shelby in general. That's why you saw all the boss cars and the Shelbys and all that stuff there. So we have a epic burnout video coming your way, courtesy of a dare. I'll accept any dare. I won't necessarily do them all, but I'll accept them all. And Brian, Rated R Cars fella. Oh yeah, buddy. We do have some new merch coming out. We have a shirt currently being designed that is the Mullet Do shirt. And you'll be able to find that. I'll post a picture of it here. You'll be able to find that at www.tamara.com. www.shelbyexotics.com. We are going to be opening our merch store shortly. You'll be able to buy Shelby Exotics t-shirts and, of course, the Mullet Do. Everybody likes fucking mullets, right? Yeah, we'll do burnouts tomorrow, okay? Burnout's actually already been done, but I need to edit the video. And that's just how YouTube works, kids. You're like 2 days behind us, even though I recorded the Gingerman thing like 3 weeks ago and just editing it now. And today is actually September 6th, I think. All day long. So be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, guys. We got to bump up our subscriber count something fierce. So before you do anything else, like, subscribe, comment, visit ShelbyExotics.com, and buy your Mullet Do shirt today. Later. You want to say bye to the YouTube kids? Bye, YouTube. Bye, YouTubes. That's my patient, wonderful wife that lets me do burnouts in the driveway. She's something. We got lucky with that one. Have a good day.